back to my channel. Nakia Lindsay here. Your girl is back with another video. Today I am doing the BRATZ challenge. Let me show y'all my brats because I don't know if I can insert the picture on the screen, but that's my girl. Look at her. Oh, look at her. Natural hair pop, dude. You can't really see her eyes in this. You can kind of see her eyes, but she got a little natural. She got little gemstones. She pop, boy. This is my recreation of my BRATZ doll. This is actually a collaboration on Instagram, so I decided to film it so y'all can see it on my YouTube channel. I really like the way this came out. I am really feeling it. Hope I did my BRATZ doll justice. So if you guys want to see how I got my BRATZ inspired look, this BRATZ challenge that's been going around, then just keep on watching. Guys, so I'm not going to try to talk too much because it is like pouring rain outside and all you're going to hear is the rain. So this is the look that we are going for. This is our BRATZ doll. And if you can see her eyes, you can't really tell. The only thing I can tell is she has like a reddish brown in her crease and like a white type of color on her lid. So this is just a recreation, y'all. So I'm gonna do what it do and I'm gonna just wing it and it's gonna look bomb. My brows are already done. I primed my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Conceal as you saw, but I wanted to be a little bit more opaque, so I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in C12. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my eye because I want my colors to pop today. For me, I think I might do a BRATZ series because I'm actually in love. Like, their looks are like my aesthetic. So I have my base on my eye. Looks like this. I really need another concealer because look at this. Look at this. It's not as opaque as I wanted it, but we'll be good for now. First thing is first, I'm going in with this Mary Kay eyeshadow. This is so old, but it's like a reddish brown. I'm gonna go ahead and use that and put it as my transitional color. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Masquerade Palette. It's a little broken, so don't judge me. But I am going in with the color Ada, which is this one right here. It's a reddish brown, and I'm gonna pack that into my transitional as well and into my crease. Okay, so this is what you should have. Well, this is what I have thus far. I'm going back into the Juvia's Place palette and I'm going to take this color Zulu, which is right here, and I'm gonna place that into my crease. I brought you guys in just a little bit closer so y'all can see, but yeah. Okay guys, so this is my cut. I did go kind of high with the cut crease because I wanted to make my eyes seem bigger because BRATZ doll, they have a lot of eye space going on. So I'm gonna go in and add like a deep brown soft glam palette, and I'm gonna take the color Cypress Umber and I'm just gonna deepen up this eye a little bit because I want my eye to be deep. Now going back into the soft glam palette, I'm gonna be taking the color Tempera right here, this matte like a matte pale color. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place that on my eyelid space. Okay, so this is what I have thus far. It's looking good. This white is kind of just like the white on the doll's eye. But I just want to add a little bit of shimmer, so I'm going into the Masquerade palette. I'm taking this color Giza. It looks like this. It has like a little bit of shimmer, like a little iridescence to it. So I'm going to go ahead and place that on top of this creamy white color. Alright, now I have that. I'm just going to go back in with the brush that I use for the Cypress Umber, and I'm just going to blend that into the lid a little bit more. Just so everything is like seamless. Okay, so I did do my eyeliner a little bit on the thicker side, so I'm going to go off camera, do this eye, apply my lashes, and then I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the rest of my face. I'm not going to show this part, but for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use my Born This Way foundation. Concealer to highlight, I'm going to use the Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the color Toffee. The foundation is in the shade Cocoa. And also to highlight with the Toffee, I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amande. So I'm going to go ahead, do my face, and then I'll come right back to finish off the look. So I went ahead and I highlighted my face and everything, and I set it. I told you guys what I used to highlight. To set my highlight, I just went in with my Black Radiance Loose Banana Powder, just to set. Now we're going to go ahead and finish off the face, finish off the eyes and everything. So I'm not going to contour, but I am going to bronze my face. I'm going to use my CoverGirl Ebony Bronze Bronzer, which looks just like this because my doll is more highlighted than contoured. So I'm going to bronze myself up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish off the eyes. I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Artist Couture pencil in the shade whatever black, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my waterline. Okay, so now that I have my eyes lined, I'm gonna go in with the Mary Kay color that I used as my first transition color. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that on my under eye, like underneath my waterline. For this, I'm just going to go ahead and use a Morphe M321 brush. It looks like this. It is like a nice pointed blending brush. I use it as my smudger brush. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Glow Kit in That's Glow, which is a holy staple. It is a throwback, but a good throwback. Golden Bronze, which is this one right here. I'm going to apply that as my highlight. To give my highlight more of a pop, I'm going back in with my Urban Decay Naked Illuminator in the shade Lit. I'm going to put that right on top of the highlight, the Anastasia highlight. For blush, I'm going in with my e.l.f. blush kit in the shade Dark. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this dark color right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this dark color right here. And I'm gonna apply that as my blush. Okay, so now I'm gonna spritz my face with my Lancome Fix and Forget setting spray. Now my doll has a little cute accessory. She has like a diamond, like a little gem on her cheek, like right under her eye. So I'm gonna take these silver gemstones that I bought from Walmart a while back because I wanted to start getting into editorial type of things. I'm gonna use one of these gemstones and I'm going to apply it just like my dog. For lips, I'm gonna do a combo of things. First things first, I'm gonna start off with my ColourPop Cosmetics Limbo Liquid Lipstick. NYX Liquid Suede in the color Vintage. And place that in the center. Now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Lip Lingerie in the color Racy. It looks like this. It is a crayon lipstick. It's a nice burgundy. I'm gonna put this all on top. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Like, I am so hyped because I really love the way this came out. Let me give you a couple of slow-mos. But yeah, this is the final look. I will insert a picture of my BRATZ doll right here. I hope I did it justice. This was so freaking fun. I think I might do a couple more. You never know, but this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think down below of this BRATZ challenge. Have y'all tried the BRATZ challenge? I think y'all should try the BRATZ challenge if you haven't already. My BRATZ does have 2 hair puffs, but the way my hair is set up right now, it's in an afro, okay? But yeah, let me know what you think down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my previous video. It will be down below in the description box, and I will put a card here. Maybe. Never know. Follow all my social media sites. They will be listed down below in the description box. And until next video, peace.